All right, so there actually is a cure for hiccups. My husband taught me this. Keanu has some hiccups. There it is. A big spoonful of nut butter.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, and then you take a bite. He's gonna take, no, you have to take it all in one bite, one bite. Yeah. And now you try to swallow it. Did you swallow it open? Okay, good. Did your hiccups go away? Yay, it works. No, honestly, I thought there was no cure for hiccups, but it literally works every single time.
My tummy goes up.
Yeah. And if you're allergic to peanuts or something, you can always use sun butter, like the sunflower one.
I am more.
Come on, baby. Okay, now we're heading to the gym. Bye. Do you want to say bye?